I am Deepak Karmalkar, Chairman of the SC/ST Commission, and to my left is Sri Dashrath Iridkar, Secretary CEO of this Commission and Director of Tribal Welfare. Now, the reason for behind calling this press conference is that the celebration of the World Tribal Day. Now, on 9th August, every year, the Goa Commission is celebrating the World Tribal Day. And even this year, we are celebrating this day. Now, the significance of World Tribal Day is, in December 1994, the United Nations General Assembly embraced a goal to pursue and recognize this day as the World Tribal Day. And on this day, we shed lights on the rich and cultural heritage and traditional of tribals. Now, the Birsa Munda, being the national icon, tribal leaders of our community, accept the place of pride of among the millions of tribal all over the country, as he has fought with the British Army for protecting and preserving our jal, jungle and zameen. Based on this, subsequently afterwards, the government has enacted the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act, in which our land has been protected from dispossession. And based on this achievement and inspiration, then subsequently all the government have enacted the Tenancy Act. Even in 1961, in Goa have enacted a Tenancy Act in which our land has been identified and protected. Now, based on this and getting inspiring from our national iconic tribal leader Birsa Munda, the Goa Commission for SC/ST this year decided to organize a quiz competition on the occasion of World Tribal Day, that is tomorrow, 9th August 2024, for the students of higher secondary school on the topic Bhagwan Birsa Munda, life and contribution to the freedom struggle and their tribal rights. And this, based on this achievement, the quiz which we are organizing, we want this achievement should come before the public as an awareness, everybody. And we have selected, last year we have organized the quiz on Constitution for the school student, and this year, on behalf of World Tribal Day, we have decided to have a quiz competition on the World Tribal Day. And our main aim is to whatever our awareness should reach to the public and everybody. So that's why we have selected the higher secondary schools, in which many teams are there, but each higher secondary is having 3 students. And out of those 3 students, 2 students from SC/ST community and 1 student from any community.
This function will be inaugurated by Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, and at 10 a.m. And our function is at Institute Ministers Braganza Hall in Panjim. And the valedictory function will be held at around 12:30. And the prizes will be given at the hands of Honorable Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly, Dr. Ramesh Talwalkar. Now, this program, basically, we have been organizing to recognize the World Tribal Day, which has been enacted by the which has been enacted by the USA, India Parliament. And basically, this program, which will be held tomorrow, will be a live program, because it will be on YouTube. It will be looked up by everybody. It can be watched by anybody on the YouTube. The program consists of first place of rupees 20,000 along with the trophy. Second prize will be of 15,000 along with the trophy. third prize of 10,000 along with the trophy, and then we'll be giving some consolation prizes of first prize of consolation of rupees 5,000 along with the trophy, second consolation prize of 5,000 rupees along with the trophy, and third consolation prize of 5,000 along with the trophy, and then there will be a audience prize. Since this program we are organizing from 10 a.m. till, and it will be winded up by 1 p.m. more or less. So we have also arranged a small lunch for students along with the teachers who are going to come for that program, because students and students and teachers will be coming from different parts of the Goa, and they will not be able to reach their home in time. So we have arranged for a small lunch for them, so that they can have their lunch in there itself, and then they can proceed to their respective places.